Hi, and welcome to this Polaris FID tutorial video. Today we'll speak about the software McFID and the Bluetooth connectivity with the Polaris, and all the various possibilities that are available for the customers that use this software. So, the first thing to do is to connect the instrument, the Polaris FID, to your laptop with the Bluetooth. So on the main screen of Windows, go to Bluetooth settings, then open the Windows, select Add Device on top, then Bluetooth, and here all available Bluetooth connection will be visible. Polaris is named as PF plus the serial number of this specific instrument, which is written on the top of the panel in the analyzer. So in this case, the serial number is 545. So I press on PF 545, and now the instrument, when you press connect, is ready to use. So when it's ready to use, you can close the window, go back on the desktop or in any place where you saved the software and open it. So McFID, it opens like that in the main page. And okay, so on top you can find a list of several analyzers connected to this laptop. And in this case, you can see here PF 545. When you press the green button, play, the laptop starts acquiring data from the Polaris. So soon you will be able to see the VOC concentration real time in this part of the screen, where a real graph will be shown. There are other informations that are visible real time. So like the temperature here on the left top of the screen, the gas cylinders pressures, the number of analyses, and the average TOC value. If there is any error, will be shown here in this Windows measure status. So for example, here you see that a low H2 pressure error has been shown. This means that the pressure in the hydrogen cartridge is low. When I refill it, here I'll just skip this, but I can show you here that if the measurement is going on correctly, you can have the graph, and in this graph is shown the TOC concentration in milligram of carbon per cubic meter over time. The graph is in auto scale. This means that the zoom automatically adjusts with the TOC concentration. It is possible to stop the visualization and saving of the data in any moment. So you just need to go on top and press the stop, the red button. Now this monitoring campaign has been saved in your laptop. In the configuration windows on the top, you can set the name and the destination folder. So here there is a slot for the company name, in this case pollution. There's also the possibility to upload a company logo in PNG file, if this is available. And all this information will be visible in the printed report. You choose the folder, and now you can load the analyses that are saved. You press here, and then you select the analysis that you want to analyze. Okay? So you can find some additional information here, like a number of the TOC values, the average, the standard deviation. It is possible to export this graph as an Excel file on this button, or you can print it in a PDF format. So you just go there, you select the destination folder, and then you have to name the file and save it. So in this case, I just save it on the desktop and named it test. Okay, so going back, when you open the PDF file, this is the layout of your monitoring campaign. You have on top the company name and the logo, day and time of the monitoring campaign, and going down all the information regarding the analysis, the instrument serial number, and other information. So scrolling down on the following pages, you will find the original graph that was shown before in the real-time monitoring, and every single measurement with its concentration of TOC. Okay, so going back to the software, if you choose to export data as an Excel file, you need to press here. You see that there's a CSV file. You choose the destination folder, save it. And now you can open the Excel file and work with it as explained in the dedicated tutorial video. Okay, here we go, test.
Pollution analytical equipment, the answer to your on-site detection challenges.